So when you're in Cabo, you can't just stay in the resort. It's almost illegal. So here we are, going down into the Marina. We're gonna have ourselves a nice little dinner this evening.
I smell fire. And
I smell mesquite.
And we're going right.
Yes, we are. Because yesterday we went left for dinner. And tonight we're going right. By the way, just a little FYI, the Cabo Marlin tournament started today, and there is many fishing boats out here that are going out to try and score that grand prize. Cabo tips. Always remember, you are a guest in their country. Conduct yourself at all times as such. Not everyone speaks English, and they don't have to. You need to learn a little bit of their language. Trying goes an awfully long way here. Tip 2. The sun is blistering hot, so sunblock 50 is a must. Tip 3. Pack very light and do not bring anything fancy. Mexico is flip-flops, shorts, and t-shirts everywhere. 1 pair of flip-flops, 1 pair of sneakers, 1 bathing suit, 2 pair of shorts, 7 underwear, 7 sets of socks, 4 t-shirts because you'll buy many. We brought our own towels, but again, all this shit you can easily buy cheaply in Super Walmart or Costco. Bring your Costco card. Most hotels or Airbnb have laundry, so all you need is to buy small laundry soap. That's a big dog. Puerto Paradiso. We're just walking till we find something you say, that's it. That's where we're eating. To be perfectly honest, I don't know if I've ever seen so many charter fishing boats in my whole life. Very well, thank you. Oh, no, thank you. Although you can easily buy masks here, we brought about 200 of them in Costco in Maryland. Took them out of the box and laid them in packages of 10 at the bottom of our suitcase. You can easily buy bulk hand sanitizer here to refill your pocket Purell bottle and the one you leave in the car. We prefer paying cash, as in pesos, for everything instead of credit card to save on the exchange rates with MX or whatever card you're using. Tip 6. Do not hide out in the resorts. Get out and walk the town of Cabo day or night. It is safe and the locals are welcoming. Tip 7. The street hawkers. Simply and nicely in a low, humble voice with a smile, say no thank you a few times to the many locals selling their stuff. Remember, they're just trying to make an honest living to feed their families. Be nice.
Olive oil.
Chateaubriand, done by the expert.
Mary Jane.
Rosemary?
Rosemary.
Rosemary. Lady Jane.
What is good? You want master?
Tip 9. Rent a car to drive around, but check prices in advance for good pricing and take out the insurance. We rented a medium-sized Suzuki for 19 days at about $55 plus minus a day. Tip number 10. Do not speed in Mexico. You're on vacation, so take your time. Do not give the many different types of police forces any reason to pull you over. We drove a little under 90 kilometers an hour speed limit, so to put it in perspective, we stayed right so locals could easily pass us and drove around 45 to 50 miles per hour. Zero problems navigating destinations via GPS using Google Maps or Waze.
That's too rare, right?
Yeah, but I don't.
Okay.
I will start.
This is not the first time you've ever made this.
This is not his first clam bake.
Right. Right.
Tip 11. Again, pick up whatever you need for Mexico at Super Walmart or Costco. It's cheaper here, so don't bring a ton of extra shit with you like we did. We even bought 2 Tommy Bahama beach chairs and Tommy Bahama umbrella for about $100 US in Cabo's Costco. Tip 13. Eat seafood in Cabo. It's always fresh. Ceviche is excellent. Oysters are fresh and delicious, etc. Catch of the day is never a gamble.
Very nice.
Okie dokie smoky. Yes.
Tip 14. Eat local Mexican to taste the food the way it was meant to be. We never in our life had such great Mexican food.
I have no room for anybody in my life who doesn't like garlic. That smells good. What is it? Ah.
How's that?
Beautiful.
That's a nice shot, right?
Absolutely. Glaze. He's definitely going the extra mile on this. We've never had a prepared table slide, have we?
Not for a long time.
Oh.
Essa bonita.
Muy bonito.
Perfecto.